are here at Blizzard Beach for the day before we get blocked out sadly on the 29th. So we're making the most of one more day off to explore and ride some rides. Attempting her first vlog today. Learning from the pro, obviously. Yeah. Right.
The top is literally just like cream.
They're just cream.
Mm-hmm. I got my main favourite, the cherry. Yeah, go for it. Love cherries.
Wow.
Other than nasty.
Happy?
Good, yeah.
Probably shouldn't go in the water for a while now. Yeah. Might not end well. Sadly, I won't be showing any rides today because it's not waterproof. And I will do anything for the vlog but damage my phone and camera.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god! Everyone's thrilled.
That was 7 years of my life that are gone.
It was good, then it was weird, then it was good, and then it was stupid. Yeah, well.